Hello, awesome teachers. Thanks for coming back to my channel, or if you're watching this from the KidPass Facebook community group, it is the unofficial group, but we are growing with teachers. We also just opened up our own parents-teacher connection for KidPass. So we're looking forward to having more teachers and more parents be able to collaborate in that group. I will post the links below. The first link is the KidPass Community unofficial Facebook group, and that is for teachers only. They are new or upcoming teachers asking a lot of questions, things like that. And then the other one is for KidPass parents and teachers to connect. So teachers can put up their classes on certain days, and then parents can go and find a teacher, or parents can request classes. So that's not what this is about today. Today's video is all about teachers being able to change their thumbnails on the KidPass live stages. So I'm going to share my screen and take you through how I go about doing it. All right. Okay, so here I am in Canva. This is what I like to use the most. There is a Canva free program that you can use, but since I make so many thumbnails, I use a Canva Pro thumbnail. I do have a link for that below if you do need it, or if you have questions, please feel free to ask me. So the first thing I'm going to do is download this. Now, for OutSchool and some of the other schools, I use a PNG file. For KidPass, you'll need to use a JPEG. It's a smaller file. I do not need all 18 thumbnails that I have made. Let's see, I just need page 12. Okay, so I'm going to download that. Now I'm going to share my screen for KidPass and show you how I go about changing my thumbnail. I'm going to show my screen. All right, you should be able to see my screen on here. Now, I am going to go to listings. I'm going to scroll down to see my haunted house, Pout Pout Fish haunted house video. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go to about. Scroll down. And I did not add a photo, a main photo, so I'm going to add it here. And I'm going to take the thumbnail that I made. Now, sometimes when I take it as a JPEG, it's still too big. I will go back and show you how to make it smaller if this is too big. Oh, it was accepted. So that is it. That's all I did. Now, let's go back. And I'm going to view my schedule. I'm going to scroll to see my haunted house. I like to click on it. I like to go to manage. I like to view as a customer. Oh, I changed my thumbnail. So there it is. Wow, that looks much better now. So hopefully all the kids enjoy that thumbnail there. Now I know it says no characters and things. I do have permission from the publisher to use the images and the stories that I read on KidPass. I encourage all teachers to go through the publishers for permission. Now you can see I did cut some of this off. I could go back and make it smaller. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on that too. So that's it. That's how I changed it. Stop share. All right, everyone, thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a little bit more about changing your thumbnail on KidPass. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm on Facebook Messenger a lot, or you can email me at kasie.oswald@gmail.com. I've been helping teachers get started on KidPass. I will say KidPass has been amazing, and any questions I've had or others that I know of have been answered rather quickly. So thumbs up to KidPass customer support. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you all next time. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye, everybody. The first link, KidPass unofficial community group. The first link, KidPass. Today, this is all about teachers being able to change the thumbnails on the live stage, KidPass. All right, everyone, thank you so much for coming, and I hope you learned about